channel. Today we are going to see components of food. We are going to see fill in the blanks. Part 1. Let's start. Components of food. A. Dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Do you know the answer for the first question? May I tell the answer? The answer is rickets. B question. Deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi. Do you know the answer? May I tell the answer? The answer is vitamin B1. Question number C. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as dash. Do you know the answer for it? Scurvy. Question number D. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A in our food. The answer is vitamin A. Dash and dash mainly provide energy to our body. Carbohydrates and fats mainly provide energy to our body. Question number F. Dash can prevent deficiency disease. The answer is balanced diet. G question. Too much fat is the diet may lead to dash. The answer is obesity. H. Dash helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. The answer is water. Just revise the question, please, guys. Now, question number I. Dash gets easily destroyed by heating during cooking. The answer is vitamin C. J question. Dash helps in clotting of blood. The answer is vitamin K. Deficiency of vitamin D causes dash. The answer is rickets. Deficiency of vitamin C causes dash. The answer is scurvy. Question number M. Dash makes up about 70% of our body weight. The answer is water. Question number N. Cooking in too much water destroys dash in food. The answer is nutrients. Question number O. Carbohydrates provide dash to the body for various activities. The answer is energy. Question number P. Deficiency of iodine in the diet leads to dash. The answer is goitre. Question number Q. Protein is a dash food, body building food. Question number R. We use iodine solution to test the presence of dash. The answer is starch. Question number S. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of dash, vitamin A. Question number T. Dash percent mass of human body is water. The answer is 70%. U. Question number U. Proteins are considered dash of our body, building block. V. Stomach is a good source of vitamin A, vitamin K and calcium. These are the answers for question number V. Please revise these answers. Question number W. Uncooked vegetables or salads are good sources of dash. The answer is vitamin C. Question number X. Potato is rich in dash. The answer is carbohydrate. Question number Y. Milk is a rich source of dash and dash. The answer is minerals and proteins. Question number Z. Fats are the richest sources of dash. The answer is energy. Question number A. Green leafy vegetables provide dash. The answer is vitamin A. B. Heating destroys dash very easily. The answer is vitamin C. Question number AC. Overcooking results in the loss of essential nutrients. The answer is that. AD. Dash is the food fibers that help in easy bowel management. The answer is rough age. AE question. Dash is the deficiency disease caused by the lack of carbohydrates and proteins. The answer is marasmus. Please refer these answers. Next question. Deficiency of iodine causes dash. The answer is goitre. Deficiency of iron causes dash. Anemia. Answer. Deficiency of calcium causes dash. Answer is bone and tooth. Decay. Question number 4. Bleeding gums is a symptom of dash deficiency. The answer is scurvy. Poor vision is a symptom of dash deficiency. The answer is loss of vision. Bones become soft and bent. Dash deficiency. The answer is rickets. Question number 7. The main carbohydrates found in our food are in the form of dash and dash. The answer is starch and sugar. 8. To test for a starch, we need 2 to 3 drops of dilute iodine solution. Question number 9. Violet color indicates the presence of dash. The answer is proteins. A blue or black color indicates that it contains dash. The answer is starch. Please refer these answers. Now let's go to the next question paper. Question number 11. Proteins are needed for the dash and dash for our body. The answer is growth and repair. Question number 12. Nowadays, insufficient exposure to sunlight is causing deficiency in many people. I didn't say the dash. The answer is vitamin D. Question number 13. Apart from nutrients, our body needs dash and dash. The answer is dietary fibers and water. 14. Dash and dash are the sources of carbohydrates. The answer is potato and rice. Dash and dash are the sources of vitamins. The answer is tomato and fish. Dash and dash are the sources of minerals. The answer is egg and milk. Dash and dash are the sources of proteins. The answer is paneer and meat. Everybody listen to me. Please revise these answers. Now let's go to the next question. Dash and dash are the sources of vitamin A. The answer are carrot and papaya. Question number 19. Dash and dash are the sources of vitamin D. The answers are sunlight and fish. Dash and dash are the sources of vitamin C. The answers are orange and tomato. Dash and dash are the sources of vitamin B? The answers are liver and wheat. Dash and dash are the sources of phosphorus. The answers are milk and banana. The both last questions are dash and dash are the sources of iron. Spinach and apple are the answers, and dash are the sources of iodine, and the answers are fish and ginger. Guys, இந்த ஆன்சர்ஸை ரெஃபர் பண்ணுங்க. அதோட இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம சுஷ்மிதா நாராயணன் சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. பை பை. See you in the next video.